Welcome back to the channel, plant lovers. Today we're diving into 5 of the best indoor air purifying plants, and I'll walk you through exactly how to grow them so they thrive in your home. Whether you're a seasoned plant parent or just starting out, this guide will give you everything you need to turn any room into a fresh, breathable oasis. Let's get started. First up is the classic snake plant, also known as sansevieria. This tough succulent is a champion at filtering formaldehyde and benzene, making it perfect for bedrooms and offices. It prefers bright, indirect light, but can tolerate low light, so you can place it almost anywhere. Watering is simple. Let the soil dry out completely between waterings, about once every 2 to 3 weeks, and be sure the pot has drainage holes to prevent root rot. Use a well-draining cactus mix and repot every couple of years to give the roots room to breathe. Next, we have the peace lily, a beautiful plant with glossy green leaves and occasional white blooms. It excels at removing trichloroethylene and ammonia from the air. The peace lily thrives in medium, indirect light. Too much direct sun can scorch its leaves, while too little light will stop it from flowering. Keep the soil consistently moist, but not soggy water when the top inch feels dry. A peat-based potting mix works well, and misting the leaves regularly helps maintain the humidity it loves. Feed with a balanced liquid fertilizer once a month during the growing season. Our third star is the spider plant, a fast-growing trailing plant that's excellent at combating carbon monoxide and xylene. It prefers bright, indirect light, but can adapt to lower light conditions, making it a versatile choice for any room. Water the spider plant when the soil's surface feels dry, typically every week, and allow excess water to drain freely. A lightweight potting mix with perlite for extra drainage is ideal. One of the best features is its ability to produce baby plantlets on long stems. Simply snip them off and root them in water or soil to expand your collection. The Boston fern is a lush, feathery plant that works wonders at increasing indoor humidity while filtering out formaldehyde and xylene. It thrives in low to medium indirect light and needs a consistently moist environment, so it's perfect for bathrooms or near a humidifier. Keep the soil evenly damp, never letting it dry out completely, and mist the fronds daily to maintain high humidity. Use a peat-rich potting mix and consider adding sphagnum moss to the top layer to retain moisture. Trim away any brown tips to keep the plant looking vibrant. Finally, the areca palm, also known as the butterfly palm, is a graceful plant that not only purifies the air by removing benzene and formaldehyde, but also adds a tropical vibe to any space. It loves bright, indirect light, and can tolerate some direct sun in the morning. Water when the top 2 inches of soil feel dry, roughly once a week, and ensure the pot drains well to avoid waterlogged roots. A well-draining potting mix with coconut coir works great. Regularly wipe the leaves with a damp cloth to remove dust and keep the foliage shiny. We've covered the snake plant, peace lily, spider plant, Boston fern, and areca palm, each a powerful air cleaner with its own personality and care needs. By placing a few of these green allies around your home, you'll not only boost the air quality, but also create a calming, natural atmosphere that promotes well-being. If you enjoyed this guide, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe for more indoor gardening tips, and let us know in the comments which of these plants you'll add to your collection first. Thanks for watching and happy planting. Subscribe, watch related videos, and follow us on social media for daily plant inspiration.